When you've been on the forefront your entire life, you learn how to turn the future into today, to be the first. For over 30 years, we've supplied the parts that keep our country moving. From farms to grocery stores, from homes to hospitals, we've served our communities well. But we are shaped to always be moving, to cultivate what's next. Who better to bring the mobility of tomorrow to the people of today? Why not a company that understands what it takes? A company that knows how to be the best. There is opportunity before us, right here, right now. We are exploring new possibilities for our future, for their future. Before sustainability was an expectation, it was part of our DNA. And now we're building the next chapter, expanding what's possible. As one of the largest remanufacturers in the world, we will continue to deliver exceptional value to our customers, to our employees, to our shareholders, and we will support our communities now more than ever before. Because we are the pioneers, the innovators, the doers, and we will do our part to create a future they can be proud of. This is the time. This is our moment to change the world.